Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your home screen. Long press the Google widget until the edit options appear, then tap Edit or the pencil icon. You do this because the widget's color comes from its built-in editor, not system settings. Once done, make sure your desired wallpaper and system theme are in place, since some widget elements sample those colors. You'll be inside the widget editor now, ready to change background type, transparency, and the accent color directly. This is the only supported in-app path. Inside the editor, choose a background type, solid, translucent, or adaptive, because that determines how much wallpaper shows through. Next, pick an accent color. You can tap suggested swatches or use custom color wheels if available. Then adjust the transparency slider. Small steps matter, so nudge it until the balance between visibility and contrast is right. As you tweak, watch the live preview on your home screen to verify legibility and contrast, and remember why each control affects readability on different wallpapers. Finish by tapping Save or Done. The widget immediately updates. If you don't see the new color, force close or clear the Google App Cache, then restart the launcher and try again. This resolves sync glitches. If the system theme or wallpaper still seems to override colors, reapply the wallpaper and reopen the widget editor, then choose a more contrasting accent or lower transparency. Lastly, if nothing works, remove and re-add the widget. This resets its stored settings and completes the only supported method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.